Hi, my name is Liudas Butkus, and in this video I want to do a quick market overview, what's happening on the markets, what is booming, what is going down, etc. So let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going strong at it, and it is now at $4,336, which I think is not that far away from a new high. Or is it the new high? Let's take a closer look at 7 days chart. Okay, let's do a month. So the highest high was 4,400. Yeah, so it's almost at the peak, and I'm quite positive it will be reaching a new high. Ethereum has had a 12% increase in the last 7 days. I did make a prediction that it will be going up. I was expecting much more, and probably the growth is still coming, but there's only 12% in the last 7 days, so not too big of a deal. Bitcoin Cash, after a huge increase in price, it is now going a little bit down, 18%, but still a very good price for Bitcoin Cash. If you still haven't sold your Bitcoin Cash that you got after the hard fork, I think it's still a pretty good time. Why is Bitcoin Cash going up so much? Well, because miners keep switching between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, because it is a lot more profitable at some times to be mining Bitcoin Cash. So some miners are switching between, and the price keeps fluctuating a lot, though it has been quite stable for the last like 4 days. So next we have Ripple. After a huge hype about some new releases, or a lot of people were thinking that they will be joining a new bank to their network, the price had been going up, and it's still up 40% in the last 7 days, but it went down after the news because it was only announcement of a conference. So as you can see, there was a massive spike down to 30 cents, and now it has been down to 20. So the hype was real, and the percentages were even higher, but overall it's still up. Litecoin is having a pretty good run, a stable run going up, and it is now around $50. Very nice. Dash has been going up for a while lately. It is up 40%. I think it has been all because of the miners, of new ant miners being launched for mining Dash, that are super profitable, and the price is also following. And right now it is all at a all-time high, and it keeps on growing, and it keeps on being green. So we'll see where that goes. Maybe it will reach 400, maybe, who knows. IOTA, after going to around $1, it has now been going a little bit into a correction. This is a really nice technology. I've been watching videos about this. In essence, it's a better version of the blockchain. I recommend you to take a closer look at this. This might be even like a blockchain 2.0 in my opinion. So it is definitely an interesting project, and the market cap says it all. So it has been at $1 for one token, and it has now gone down after such peak down to 90 cents, and it's climbing back up again. NEM has had a slight increase. NEO is very stable. Still, people are not too sure will it go up again or not. Probably people are now waiting for ICOs to begin on the NEO network and see how popular is it really going to be. Monero has shot up after being stable for a very long time, a 150% increase in 7 days, which is massive. I know there are a lot of people mining Monero, and they are probably counting their profits right now. As you can see, the price in May. It started around in May, and the price was quite stable, $30 to $50, going up and down, and up till August, and it has now spiked so much, basically doubling and almost tripling in value. So this is very exciting for all the Monero holders. I have written it off basically because it was just sleeping for so much time and there were no news. Ethereum Classic 10% increase. Quantum, I've been trying to learn some stuff about Quantum. It looks quite shady to me. There are some not too good opinions about it, but overall I'm not too sure about this. 30% increase in the last 7 days. Omisego bought in a little bit on this one. It is advised by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum founder, so it has been going up for 15% in the last 7 days and will probably go up even more once the product is launched. BitConnect, the scam, had some problems. It had been going down, people were already panicking what's happening, etc. But it went back up and whatever. Lisk has been having just as big of a run like Monero, even higher, after hovering around for $2 for like forever. It is now at $5.46, and I do hope, because I'm a holder of Lisk, that it will continue to go up, and well, I am hoping for top 10 and the price will keep on increasing. This is basically because they are launching some new updates to their platform, and they are also doing a rebranding in September, so not too much to wait. Stratis, quite stable, 50% increase, $6 of price, going up and down at this level for a long time. Zcash, almost 35% in the last 7 days. Nice waves, 30% increase. I'm hearing a lot of waves, a lot of projects are launching on waves. This is probably a undervalued token. We'll need to take a closer look at this one. It looks quite promising. I'll probably be looking out to invest in this. EOS, a 1% decrease. Still not the time to invest in it, in my opinion. 10x, similar to Omisego, I guess, or a payments platform. 1% increase. BitShares, a decentralized exchange, 8% increase. Steem, 43% increase. Wow, that's huge for Steem, and the price is $1.45. Really happy about that. Augur, 50% increase after being stable for a while. MadeSafe coin, 30% increase. Bytecoin, 20. Factom, another 20. Golem, 26. Binance keeps on growing. Probably the most popular Chinese exchange right now that also is available to the Western world, and they are doing some really massive things. Some Chinese ICOs are using Binance to get funded, and it was nowhere to be found like a month ago in the charts, and it is now at the 13th spot almost. So this is something to look out for. Economy down 15. Veritasium, a very shady coin, 6% down. Centra, a lot of hype about this one. I think it was a recent ICO because it's not, yes, it has launched in August 9th. So wow, from 50 cents to $3, $4. We'll need to investigate and research this a little bit. Stellar Lumens 20% plus, Decred 53%, Basic Attention tokens down 1% in the last 7 days. A very interesting project by the Mozilla developers, something like Steam, something to research if that's what you're interested in, social platforms. Sia Coin up 7%, but overall I'm planning to sell it out because I had researched that they are planning to be holding the price very stable for the usage of the platform, so it's not really that good to hold it for an investment, so I'm probably going to be selling that off. 4% Dogecoin, Byteball 9%, Digix DAO, heard some stuff about it, 27%, Civic up 14%, Gnosis finally up 5%. Been reading a little bit about Gnosis, about the ICO structure. I have bought after the ICO and the price hasn't been doing so well. So it's really quite strange in my opinion. The ICO price was probably overvalued, and since there is not too much adoption of Gnosis prediction market yet, the price continues to go down. Gas is going down quite a lot, by 30%. Status 4% down. OX 25% down. Populous Arc, don't know these. PIVX 46% increase. So all the anonymity coins like Dash, Monero, PIVX, Zcash are all going up. So this is quite interesting that they all correlate, and probably PIVX had the least of an increase. Let's take a look at this. Maybe there was a smaller spike before. Okay, it has been very volatile, as you can see. $1, a huge spike, yeah, so that probably explains why it hasn't gone up that much. Monaco kind of found its spot after huge increases at a 54, 30% increase. Banker 5% increase only. Aragon 25%. What's interesting over here? No Limit Coin, yeah, I should have probably bought that. I found a YouTuber that's been talking about it, that it has to go up, and as you can see it's already going up, 100% increase. So that was a good prediction of his. Stocks, Mayweather has invested in this. It's at 69 spot right now, 6% increase. Pretty nice. Storgy, 18% increase. A competition for Sia. District of X, wow, 28% decrease. Bitcoins, after going up and up, is now in a slight correction. Probably some people want to cash out, and 20% decrease. ADX, after huge increases, also decreasing right now. What's next? Okay, Zcoin, Verge, First Coin, Faircoin, don't know nothing about these. And Polybius, 2% increase, still below the ICO price, so a good time to go in if you're interested in that project. And what I am looking for the last for this video is Scenario, and it is up 12% in the last 7 days, but still not at its highest. So okay, Blockcat, a interesting ICO, still very low in capitalization. It's a very interesting project, smart contracts that are easy to use, that are easy to program, something that will probably jump up to the 15 place easily, so it will be going up in my opinion. So that's another good token to look out for. So this is it for this video. Hope you got a few ideas for checking out some coins to invest in. So this is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.